So, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're anything like me, a mom trying to balance chores, screen time battles, and the constant I'm bored chorus, you know how priceless a good hands on activity can be. Today, I'm sharing our experience with something that promised creativity, calm, and a little messy fun: the HECKLES DIY Taba Squishy Making Kit. Priced at $25, it's not just another craft box. It's an invitation for kids to slow down, create, and walk away with something uniquely theirs. As someone who's skeptical of kits that look great online but fall flat in real life, I went in with low expectations. But what stood out to me wasn't just the end result. It was the process, the focus in my girl's eyes, and the kind of quiet concentration you rarely see on a weekend. Stick around as I take you through how this simple kit turned an ordinary afternoon into something we all remembered. Let me tell you, as a busy mom always on the hunt for screen-free, hands-on activities that actually keep my kids engaged, this HECKLES DIY Taba Squishy Making Kit was one of those rare finds that felt like magic the moment we opened it. I decided to try it out with my two girls, ages 7 and 9, on a rainy weekend when they'd already started climbing the walls from boredom. The box came with all the essentials: that squishy liquid silicone, the cute little molds shaped like cat claws, bunnies and hamsters, a mixing cup, gloves, even those tiny plastic eyes. Everything neatly packed and ready to go. My older daughter squealed when she saw the molds. I'll admit I was a little nervous. Resin kits can be messy or complicated, but this one feels designed with kids in mind. The 1:1 AB ratio is super easy to measure and mix, which means even my younger one could help without too much stress on my part. Honestly, that was a win in my book, something they could participate in, not just watch me do while they got bored halfway through. We laid out some newspaper, put the gloves on, which, by the way, were a bit flimsy. One actually ripped during our second round, so I'll swap in some sturdier ones next time, and started mixing. The directions included were just okay, not super detailed, so I did end up pulling up a quick video on my phone to double check a few steps, like how long to stir and when to know it's fully mixed. But once we got the hang of it, it was smooth sailing. Pouring the mixture into the molds was the favorite part for the girls, especially seeing how the little paw print details looked under the liquid. We let them sit overnight, and the next morning, it was like Christmas all over again. They popped the squishies out carefully, and oh my gosh, those textures, so soft, so squishy with that perfect plump bounce. They giggled every time they squeezed them. It's such a simple joy, but that's what makes it special. They immediately named each one: a bunny named Fluff, a cat claw named Scratcher, and started planning what to make next. Now, here's where I'll be real with you. Yes, the final squishies are super fun and adorable, but they are a bit sticky. Like, not can't touch sticky, but definitely that velvet-like stickiness you notice when you rub your fingers over them. My younger daughter tried sleeping with one and said it picked up lint easily. It didn't bother them much. Kids are forgiving like that, but as a mom, I did wonder if they'd attract dirt quickly on the couch or in their backpacks. Also, they don't seem super durable. One of ours cracked a little when dropped from just the coffee table. So while they're great for gentle play or collection, I wouldn't hand them to toddlers for rough squeezing all day. That said, the stickiness fades slightly after a few days, and you can dust them with a tiny bit of cornstarch, just a light sprinkle and a soft wipe to cut down on the tack. I found that trick online and it worked like a charm. One thing I absolutely love is how proud the girls felt making something with their own hands. They gave two of the squishies to their cousins as gifts, and the cousins were obsessed. "I've already gotten 3. Can we do that again?" Text. This isn't just a one and done craft. It sparked creativity. They're already drawing their own squishy designs and talking about making holiday themed ones next. I also appreciate that it's an activity we can repeat. The kit comes with enough material for several squishies, and once they're done, we can always buy more resin. The molds are made of silicone and really hold up well. Easy to clean, flexible, no warping. So far, they haven't torn or lost their shape, even after a few uses. That's a huge plus. I can see us pulling this out not just for a rainy day, but for birthday party activities or even quiet time on a long holiday break. Of course, supervision is a must. This isn't something I'd leave my kids to do alone, especially at their age. Measuring, mixing, and handling the molds takes focus, and the resin can be tricky if you rush it. I help them with the timing and encourage slow stirring so no bubbles formed. There's also a slight odor when you mix the resin, nothing overpowering, but I definitely recommend doing it in a well ventilated space. Our kitchen window was open, and that helped. The gloves included? Not the strongest, as I mentioned, but better than nothing. I'd suggest using your own if you're doing a bigger batch. All in all, though, this kit turned into a bonding experience. We laughed, we made a few messes, totally worth it, and we ended up with keepsakes they actually treasure. As a mom, there's nothing better than seeing that kind of joy. So would I buy it again? Honestly, yes. At $25, it's a more affordable creative project compared to a lot of craft kits out there, and it delivers way more fun than I expected. Sure, it's stickier than some other brands I've heard about, and it's not the most durable squishy ever made. But for what it is, a manageable, engaging, tactile craft for older kids, it hits the mark. My only wish? That the instructions were a bit clearer from the start. A little more guidance on curing times, demolding tips, or even troubleshooting bubbles would have made it even better. But that's a small thing. Overall, it's been one of our favorite weekend projects this year. My girls still reach for their handmade squishies instead of their store bought toys, and that tells me everything I need to know. If you're looking for a gift that's fun, creative, and brings the family together, this is it. If you're ready to swap screen time for sweet, squishy family memories, don't just squeeze the moment, grab it. Give this video a like, hit subscribe, and let's make more handmade happiness together. Your next calm, creative afternoon with your kiddos could be just one squishy away.